Dear Pastor, I'm a 17-year-old teen who has a pornography addiction. I was introduced to porn right after I lost my virginity. I started finding pleasure in porn, but after a while I stopped watching. As I grew older, my hormones started to grow out of control. I couldn't stop myself. I used to hide and watch porn, or whenever I was home alone, I went straight to the site. After doing so, I just feel disgusted and ashamed of myself, and it caused me to feel depressed sometimes. It's really hard on me now because I'm not sexually active. It has been 5 months since I have had sex, but I really don't mind not having sex because many of these men have diseases that they don't know about. I don't want to watch porn anymore, Pastor. I'm really ashamed, and sometimes I ask God for help, but I haven't experienced any change. Maybe God is just sick and tired of me disappointing him. I really want to overcome this addiction, Pastor. Please tell me what to do. Dear A, I appreciate that you are reaching out for help, and I want to say to you, please do not condemn yourself because you got into the habit of looking at pornographic films. Some adults have control over this habit. For example, some couples enjoy looking at porn, and they even put into practice some of the things that they see. Some women say that they have learned a lot from what they have seen other women do with their men. Some claim that there is hard and soft porn. All I am saying is, do not condemn yourself because you got into the habit of watching pornographic films. You are 17, but you did not say at what age you became sexually active. But if you want to stop looking at porn, you may block the website from your devices, such as your computer or handset. Whenever there is a temptation to look at porn, engage yourself in doing something else. You can lock yourself out of the site. If you find that the desire to look at porn is overbearing, you should consider making an appointment to see a counselor or call a good friend to talk to you about important things. Again, I will say, do not condemn yourself. You have not been sexually active for the past 5 months. Pray and ask the Lord to help you overcome illicit sex, including pornography. God is able to help you. You are very young, so be very careful how you share your problems about pornography with others. Even your closest friend may tell his or her close friend about what you are going through. Only speak to a professional about your struggles. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. You know by experience that watching porn has negatively affected you. So go to see a counselor and discuss the matter. Some people might not understand that you are going through a phase in life that you will overcome. I will be praying for you. Pastor?
Hey guys, if you like the story so far, please subscribe to the channel. We have some comments we would like to go over. First comment says, drink a cup of lime juice. Second comment says, to be honest, almost every teen experiences this, so you're not odd. Someone added, God will come through love if you really want to change. He did it for me, and up to this day I haven't watched it, and that's many years ago. Someone else added, boy, I wish you healing like myself, sender. Every year my resolution is to stop watching porn, and by day 2 I am back watching it and whining. Another person chimed in with, go bathe and find something to do, you have too much free time. Another comment says, all you need is a job. Real Yardman says, this sounds like a female. We all watch blues while growing up, it's never too late to stop, just try and avoid the temptation. It's tough, but try to find things to keep you busy. Another person says, this is not an easy addiction to break, so you have to be mentally strong. If you don't take it seriously, it will ruin your life. Latoya added, the advice this pastor gives to these people is so questionable. Why not encourage this teen to seek God's help as your opening statement, rather than talking about the different kinds of porn and whose sex life it has helped? Does it even matter? The guilt this child feels after watching such content is clearly the impurities and negative energies that are drawn from these films while watching them. And the last comment we will be looking at says, self-control won't help, what you need is God control. First you need to see your need to overcome, next earnestly go to God in prayer for Him to grant you power of overcoming. Pastor won't be able to help you with this, only God can. You are welcome for the advice. Well guys, please remember to subscribe to the channel. Sex can be intoxicating and as such very addictive. So, once most people start having sex, it is hard to stop. Likewise, when people start watching porn, the compelling feeling to watch is overwhelming. Many people who fall prey to a seemingly endless cycle of hiding to watch these adult content will have negative effects that affect all aspects of their lives, especially when prolonged. One of the biggest problems is being hypersexualized, which will make it difficult to form healthy bonds. So, if you have an addiction, please find hobbies like swimming, painting, drawing, cooking, or something to keep your mind occupied. If that does not work, ensure you are always around someone else. Anyway guys, thank you for watching. Check out more videos on the channel. Catch you in the next one, love.